Yeah. Ashiv. Awale dlala.
Guys. Hey. I would love to include you guys in that mission. Bye-bye.
Hey. Mutimulla. Reunamela. Hey.
Late guys. With the queen herself.
Venda
Jenile, wakhonjela.
Imagine if we came all the way from Jozi to come see you.
Yeah.
Eh? Ghana, you are?
Serious? You came for me?
Hey, bro, we've been driving so fast. Yeah. Let me go see my artist here. Makhadzi. Venda. See, how's it? Imagine if it. Boy, we've been driving from Joburg to come see you. Much driving so fast.
Hello.
Makhadzi Matorokisi.
From Cape to Cairo.
Hey, bro, Makhadzi Matorokisi.
Guys, I have the saddest news in the whole wide world. I have the saddest news in the whole wide entire world. I just arrived right now to Venda. I just arrived and they are done shooting. They are done. They just left now. So I don't know how I feel. You know, maybe we'll find something better to do around here, but I mean, like, here's this guy. Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry. Hey, honey. Hey, honey.
Yeah, what the judge?
Oh, what's the word in Kamgria? What's the word in Kamgria? What's the word?
Yeah, Nkupi, what the charge on a fana sem concourse, fana sem casisa, fana sem hosile, fana sem yoning, fana sem yogayo. The charge almost marathon.
Oh, what's that? Even after number 2, number 3 for a year, I would see. What thing you like?
Limpopo boy.
Okay.
Limpopo boy.
How are you, honey?
I'm good. How are you?
So you are the famous Makhadzi. The whole international Makhadzi.
From a country called Venda. You're not
you connected the whole world. The whole world is like this, following each other. Hi. I wait.
No. Wait. I can't do video. Emerson. Hey. Job. Dale botón leo, man. Hey. Yo, hey. Job. Chief.
In the whole of Mall of the North. We just left the rest so we can go to Mall of the North. In the whole of Limpopo. In the midst of Limpopo. So yeah, we made it to Limpopo. We're still continuing. Joburg in 5 minutes. Actually from here, Boloko, where are we going?
You think?
All the way we're going up north. We're going up north, we're not going back.
I want to show you Matorokisi. So guys, there's a Matorokisi going on. Bona Matorokisi. Matorokisi sitimela chia Matorokisi Matorokisi Siafaka Matorokisi Siafaka Matorokisi Parifaka Matorokisi Arihanga Matorokisi 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 Haga Matorokisi 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 Haga Matorokisi hey gift haga mun haga loena man gift haga mun haga Matorokisi Haga Matorokisi ya hagi gari haga Matorokisi haga Matorokisi when I haga Matorokisi bafit. So yeah, Mall of the North has Matorokisi here. So guys, yeah,
So aren't you satisfied?
I brought my logo here.
It is so many Matorokis here.
My logo has two. My Matorokisi in Limpolonga. Bali Beach. Matorokisi are Nardi. Eh, le khoa. Ari man. Emo na tsware.
Dance.
Ari me. Zamalabo. In the middle of our road trip, ne. Now we are here. Gifted. We are here. We were here and here. Now we are going here.
How are you going to do?
Yeah. He was sleeping. Hi, Boloko. How was the sleep? Him fun. My sisters are gonna see this when I fight you.
We're gonna fight you.
So guys, let's climb this way. What did you think? How did you thought Limpopo was Eastern Cape? We brought him to Limpopo first time. Bro, welcome to Bullock. Enjoyed. Oh, my gift Danny. So guys, yeah. Hey, one jar. There's no going higher. Polokwane, make some noise. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
On me.
Polokwane is hungry and angry.
Angry at us. Sleep all the way from Venda. We just woke up now.
Jozi, we are coming. It's 12:30. By 2. Yeah. 1:30.
It's very small. I have my shumugu. It's fine. I'm going to the village that day. The village.
Who? N1. Let's sign him.
Yeah.
Keep village at you.
Village. Village man. Udo. Let's see. You go. Rapa.
Tragash.
Stop the video.
Tragash.
What's happening?
What's happening?
It's contraction. Chikondraga.
Nah, guys, I'm not going to rag.
Chikondraga.
Bulago is sleeping there, acting sexy. Like he requested us. Eh? We are a whole Uber for him. He just wanted to take selfies in Venda. He's like
Chess boy of the Roadtrip.
Girls want him.
Yeah, all the
Girls, I get Lamanyaka.
all the
Lamanyaka get girls. Oh, Bulago got a girl for being him, for doing nothing. For just, he didn't even dance. I know he gets girls. He gets girls mostly because he dances. He didn't even dance this time.
Yeah, he was just chilling,
Yeah,
drinking.
and those girls were like,
They were like, oh no, wow, what the fuck, this guy, wow.
they followed him on Instagram. Chief, how did they get your Insta handle? You were saying you told them,
No, he was doing some things in dark.
but how did they find his Instagram handle?
No, like he was engaging with them.
Oh,
They were engaging.
he was English.
He was English, this guy. He was English.
Aye, guys,
You
I'm
understand?
tired. Give cut. I must drive now. Concentrate. In our road trip, we just decided that. Hey man, wake that man up. Hey, fuck off, get up. So, we hear you guys speaking. Ne? You are busy saying, hey, Mutimulle. Reaunamela. We are going to climb Mutimulle today. We will see who comes back. Let's go. Wena na bani? Na wena. Emona ria Mutimulle, we are coming. Bulago, let's go, man. Oi, stop being a chicken. Mutimulle, we are going. We are here. Oh. Hey, Mutimulle. Let's see if they'll hit us. Mutimulle. We are climbing Mutimulle.
Good ace.
We are very angry.
Yeah, good ace.
Yeah. Let's see. What is this? What's actually happening here? Let me see. Yeah. That one is scared. I'm peeing here. You wanna see? Listen. I'm peeing. Give to the amount. You're taking a selfie of me peeing. Mutimulle. Mutimulle. You got the location. I can get things. I can get things already. No, guys, on second thoughts, I think we must keep our distance. This is Mutimulle after all. Hey, Okaka na. Ujai. Upumuruto wako. Hi guys. Let's everyone. Uriamu. Apela kasno yamala fetela. No guys, Mutimulle.
Yeah,
This is Mutimulle, guys, after all, so let's not play with our lives. Mutimulle. No. We will climb Dragon's Back. We will climb climbable mountains. There are better climbable mountains. Yeah. No. Kilimanjaro. We'll climb Kilimanjaro. Our next trip will climbing Kilimanjaro. Not Mutimulle, guys. You won't come back from that one.
The biggest mountain in South Africa.
Why are you wearing pink?
Biggest mountain in South Africa.
Hey guys, we decided otherwise. You live and let live.
Yes.
I almost took off my shoes.
Everyone in the car there, yo. I need to go to the bathroom, yo. I need to go to the bathroom, yo. There's no way. You guys, I'm so pressed, yo. I need to go there. If I don't go there now, hey, I'll be in serious trouble, yo. It's either that or, yeah, I'll talk to you later. Hey, let me end. Bye-bye. Ish, bye-bye. Wali,
Yo. Look at the traffic that thing caused.
yeah. This traffic is too much.
Imagine if we bumped into something like
Show them
this.
this traffic.
Look at the lane now.
Yo guys, currently in Joburg, just entered Joburg. The road trip was long. Yo, that was not a road trip, it was a road journey. So yeah guys, I'll show you some of the things that we did along the road. So yeah, guys, I'm tired, I can't even hold this phone. So yeah, entering Joburg. It's been a long day. We're still on the road, so I cannot say I've arrived. No, I'll give you a formal notice of us arriving. But guys, my people. What's up? Guys, my people. We're back, guys, so we just returned. The time is 5:06. Yeah, 9 minutes to we arrived in Joburg. So the trip was nice. It was awesome, bad, except it was a scenario last night at 12. We were in the drive-thru. We were in the drive-thru, and this Venda, guys in Venda, they hijacked the car. They didn't have any weapons, using bricks. We just here got bullets behind me. Well, guess what I did? I didn't order. I was like, I didn't order. I stopped ordering. I was like, I lost appetite. And then the only problem was that wherever this thing is happening, it's at the entrance, and that's where we have to exit because the KFC has this fence around it. The KFC has a fence around, so you cannot exit in other. You have to go exit the exact place where the thing is happening. When they were hijacking that car, the driver panics, puts on the accelerator, like just here. If it wasn't for that those concrete dustbin in front of KFC, that car was gonna go inside the place. I was gonna live there. Why did they go outside the car? They just said, they open doors, they go outside. Why did you go? I was gonna leave them, shame. They should thank God that we were not driving in a SUV. Because those barricade pavements was gonna jump.
Still, you were not going to pass near those guys.
I was, I saw that. This is an accident. I will go there. Come in, and
Funny is
yo, I was scared. That's why I never left the car. So these people, they live, and this guy comes. He shoots up in the sky. Yo. Everyone came back to the car. He shot God. Yeah, he was just trying to disperse it. But he made it worse. He just scared everyone. The thugs ran away. Everyone who was trying to catch the thugs ran. Everything finished. But the car hit the concrete dustbin. It was fucked. And it wasn't his car even. It wasn't his car. It was someone's girlfriend's car. And not the girlfriend's car, but where the girlfriend breaks. When after that, oh my job, laugh about the things which happen, right? There's actually more.
Listen,
There's a lot which happened, a lot. But the sad part is that we arrived late for the music video shoot. That's a sad part. That's my sad part. I arrived late to the music video shoot, so I couldn't be in the music video. So it looks like I just went all the way. Looks like I went all the way. Have a nice road. I'm not saying it's not worth it. It's worth it, but that was not the plan. That was not the plan. But hey, who knows? Maybe I was not meant to be in that video. But I met awesome people, and then we're now friends, and we're gonna do a lot of content. I'm talking about people like Jamaica, BW, Limpopo Boy, and who's that? Shut up. This other guy as well. Who's that other guy? Baba Matumi. Yeah. So guys. Yeah. Oh. Sorry? Guys. Oh. What? Hey. Woo! Woo! Look at this beautiful garden! Garden! Beautiful garden! Garden! A 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 beautiful Speak live. I'm doing the beat. Rose, give me fruit. Roses, this thing, whatever. Show your place, man. I'm a good gift him no. Give him a man. Big man, my former. Four. Guys, bro. Ciao.